The download era. Go to the website erachain.org. On the website erachain.org, click the download button in the menu bar. It takes you to the download section. In the download section, please download Java package and install it on your computer. Then download the installation file ERA. The ERA installation and registration. Open the archive ERA. For installation on Windows, run the file run.bat. To install on Mac OS, run the file era.jar. In the next window, prompted to choose to create a new or restore an existing wallet. Choose Create New Wallet and click Next. Get acquainted with the terms of the license agreement. Click Next. The program will automatically generate a long random key seed, LED, copy seed and click Next. For convenience, create a notepad file on the computer to copy generated LED, save it there and never lose. In any case, do not show your LED to anyone. It is best to store it on USB drive. It may need to restore files from your purse or install it on another PC. Further, in the appeared window, paste confirm your wallet seed, unlock your wallet, enter your LED again and create your own additional password for further use.